How to embed Eventzilla ticket on website, or how to get embed code on Eventzilla. Once you have created your Eventzilla account or event, better yet, you're going to tap on the three dots and you're going to select edit. After selecting edit, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on registration. Then you're going to tap on embeddable widgets. After selecting embeddable widgets, from here you can choose either the button, the ticket, sessions, speaker, and you can see a preview of how it will look right there. All events or calendar, you can see different options. So we're just going to be selecting tickets. After selecting tickets, you're going to scroll down and you can choose the call to action, whether it be buy tickets, order now, register, or RSVP. Then you're going to tap on copy to clipboard. Once you have copied the code, you're going to go onto your website. So whether you're using WordPress or any other platform, the steps remain the same. You'll simply tap on embed or select HTML code and you're going to paste in the code that you have copied. After adding the code, what I want you to do next, we'll tap on next. Then we'll tap on insert right here. After selecting insert, you can see that the ticket has been added, as you can see here. So persons will be able to purchase the ticket on our website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.